Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for 29th June 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First and foremost, we will look at how Nifty traded today. Nifty opened mostly flat with a slight positive bias but corrected to lower levels later in the trading session to close in the red. The NSE index ended the day at 23,946.25, down 0.46% or 109.75 points from Thursday's close. The correction seen in the NSE index today was due to profit booking at higher levels, concerns regarding rainfall amid the El Nino, and mixed to weak global cues. Most sectors ended in the red, with auto emerging as today's worst performer. Pharma and healthcare emerged as today's best performers, with both sectors gaining around 1% each. Volatility spiked mildly following today's correction. Levels may be adjusted downwards, with supports now being at 23,840, followed by 23,700, while resistances may be placed at 24,000, followed by 24,130. For tomorrow, consolidation within a range may be expected to continue as no clear signals can be seen from the global markets as of now. Possibilities of a rate hike in the US as well as uncertainty being witnessed in AI and tech, given the recent global inflation due to spike in crude prices, has kept strengthening the US dollar in the interim given its safe haven appeal. Trend may be expected to be sideways as further cues are awaited. Nifty may be expected to be bullish above 24,480, while a break below 23,400 may cause the index to become bearish once again. Next, let us take a view of how SENSEX traded. The BSE index corrected by 0.48% or approximately 372 points to close at approximately 76,728. No changes are required to the levels, with supports remaining at 76,645, followed by 76,250, while resistances will remain at 77,210, followed by 77,750. The BSE index may witness bullish momentum above 78,835, while bearish momentum may be observed if 75,790 is breached on the downside. Now we will take a look at the moves seen in crude oil. Crude oil prices still seem to be consolidating within a range, but at a slightly higher level compared to last week's close. Altercations between the US and Iran over the weekend, which later cooled down, caused the small uptick in price. Volatility for the commodity has dipped slightly as compared to Friday. Levels for crude oil may be kept the same as well, with supports at 6,550, followed by 6,400, while resistances will be at 6,735, followed by 6,935. For today, crude oil may be expected to continue consolidating within a range despite uncertainty rising in the Middle East, due to the mostly muted escalations and quick resolution. This points towards the fact that brief skirmishes as of now doesn't affect prices at the counter by much, as the related volatility has mostly been priced in. Trend can be expected to be sideways, with traders choosing to take positions between different technical levels. Bullishness may be seen at the energy counter if 7,650 is breached on the upside, while a break below 6,140 may cause bearish momentum to intensify further. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. Omaxe shares surged after the company announced the launch of a dedicated hospitality business vertical with plans to invest around 6,200 crore rupees. The company aims to develop 19 hotels across 5 states over the next 4 to 5 years, significantly expanding its presence in India's hospitality sector. Tata Motors chairman N. Chandrasekaran said the company's acquisition of Iveco is expected to be completed by the second quarter of FY27. He described the deal as a major strategic step that will strengthen Tata Motors' global commercial vehicle business and support its long-term international growth ambitions. Puravankara has entered into a joint development agreement for a 6.4-acre land parcel in Sarjapur, Bengaluru. The upcoming residential project is expected to generate around 1,000 crore rupees in revenue, further strengthening the company's presence in one of India's fastest-growing real estate markets. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinars will be conducted this weekend. On Saturday at 12 p.m., Mr. Amol Chapi will be conducting a webinar on the topic Use CPR for high probability trades in options trading. And on Sunday at 3 p.m., Mr. Chatan Gupta will conduct a webinar on the topic Option Expiry Special Smart Money Strategies. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.